Hello, families. This video is a quick how-to on editing your personal vision once it's done. You're going to navigate over here on the sidebar to personal vision, purpose, and roles, which you probably hopefully did. If not, go ahead and do that. Then you're going to go to actually, I'll show you one other thing here. So you're going to have a version history of any changes that you make to your vision over time. So this is really useful as your roles change and you really start to hone in on your values. But then you can go into vision and do a full redo of vision. If you just start thinking, I want another shot at that, you can go back through and redo your entire vision. Or if you just want to go through and change one small aspect of vision, if you hit edit vision, you can go to specific sections and then go down here to, for example, values, and it will bring you to where you already were in values with your 15 selected, and you can unselect values that you already had. That is how to make changes to your vision.